friends, in this session we study about the addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction we see the rule of addition and subtraction and the rule of multiplication and division of the signs. First we see the rules of addition and subtraction. In summation process, there are same sign in both the numbers, it get addition, and the sign in the result is same as the numbers. If we have to add two numbers, we have to get the summation of two numbers having the same sign, then the operation would be addition, and the sign would be of the numbers, because the numbers having the same sign, if both have the positive sign, the sign would be plus in the result, and the both having negative sign, the sign would be minus in the result. So in the second, you see in the summation process there are opposite sign in both the numbers. So the one number having plus sign and the other is negative. So the process would be, the operation would be subtraction, and the sign in the result would be of the greater number. Now whatever the sign of the greater number, so it would be like this. So I explain you this first. If we have two number 3 plus 5, so both the number having same sign. If there is no sign, it means there is positive sign in the first number, in the first term. So 3 plus 5, the operation would be addition 8, so it is positive 8. If I have minus 5 minus 7, so both the numbers having same signs, the minus signs, so it would be the operation of addition, but the symbol of the number, whatever the symbol is here, the negative, so it is minus 12. So this would be minus 12 here. Now if we have opposite symbols like this, if I have minus 7 and plus 5, so you see the opposite signs are in both the numbers, the operation would be subtraction, and the symbol in the result would be of greater number. So the 7 minus 5 is 2, and the symbol of 7 is greater, so it is the negative minus 2. So it is the minus 2 here. If you have a number like this, 7 minus 3, so here 7 is positive and 3 is negative, the operation would be subtraction, and if we subtract the 3 from 7, we get 4, and the symbol of 7 is plus, so the result would be plus symbol. So this is the way we have to get the addition and subtraction. Now I explain you the sign multiplication rule in addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division rule. In multiplication and division process, there are same sign. If there are same sign, the sign in the result would be positive. If there is plus multiplied by plus is always plus, minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus, and plus division divided by plus is always plus, minus divided by minus is always plus. In multiplication and division process, there are opposite sign. The sign in the result would be negative. If plus multiplied by minus is always minus, minus multiplied by plus is always minus, and in division also plus divided by minus is minus, and minus divided by plus is minus. So I explain you this. Now we see this multiplication and division rule. I explain you practically. So look at here. If I put 5 plus 7, we have to add 5 plus 7. 5 plus, we could write in this way, 5 plus 7. So we get here plus into plus is plus, so the process or the operation would be plus between these 5 and 7. So we get here 5 plus 7, which is 12. Now I explain with another example. If we have to subtract, minus 3 from 5. So here you see the multiplication of symbols, the multiplication of signs are here, minus into minus, we get plus. The operation would be addition. So the 5 plus 3, so it would be 8. Similarly, if I write down in this way, now if we have to add minus 3 to 5, so plus into minus, the opposite signs are there, the multiplication of these two would be negative, would be minus. So the process or the operation would be subtraction. So here 5 minus 3, which is 2. In division process, you see, if you have to divide 5 by minus 3. So what would it be? Because in the numerator you see there is a positive, there is no sign, it means there is positive sign. So plus divided by minus is always minus because the opposite signs are there. So we could write in this way minus 5 over 3. Similarly we could write, we have to divide minus 3 by minus 2. So you look at here, the both signs are same, negative, negative. So it would be positive. So it is 3 over 2. Friends, now I tell you about the addition of integers with the help of number line. So first of all we have to draw a number line. Look at here, this is our number line. We have to put down the integers on the same intervals. On the right side of 0 we have to put down the positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. On the left side we have to write down the negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and so on. So how we get the addition and subtraction? If we have to add the two numbers, the operation of addition, if we have, then we move to the right hand side of that number in which we have to add the number. If we have to subtract, the operation is subtraction, then we have to move to left hand side of that number. So now I explain you how we do this. So first question you see here, 2 plus 3, we have to find out how much. So first of all we have to put down here, we have 2 here, we have 2 here. Now we have to move, because it is a process of addition, it is the operation of addition, so we have to move 3 steps on right side. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So we have got here 5. So this would be the answer of this. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now look at in question number 2. Here you see in question 2 we have to add minus 5 to 1. So here is an integer, we have minus 5, we have to add to 1. So first we would simplify this 1, because plus into minus is minus, so 1 minus 5. So now here we have to subtract 5 from 1 in this operation. So we see we have 1 here and we have to subtract 5 from 1. So whenever we have to get the subtraction, we move to left hand side. So here we move 5 times to left side, 5 steps we have to move left side. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer would be minus 4. So it is equal to minus 4. Now we see one more questions. Here we have to subtract 8 from 5. So we see what happens now. So we have 5 here. Now we have to subtract 8 from this. So we have to move left side 8 steps. So we move left side 8 steps. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we get here minus 3. So 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. So in this way we could do the addition of integers through this number line. With the help of this number line, it's very easy and pretty way to addition and subtraction through the help of this number line. In the next session I would explain you how we add and subtract the 2-digit or 3-digit numbers. Thank you.